Welcome back to Kino's channel. Today we're gonna do an old van tour. We plan to use this for charity, but then again, it has more um, repairs that needed to be done. As you can see on the front, the windshield has been damaged by a coconut fruit because it's sitting right next to a coconut tree. And unfortunately, the strong wind dropped a coconut and that's what happened. So yeah, I also have a flat tire that needs vulcanizing pa. So tara, let's get into the door. This is an old style key lock door, so it's a manual lock and open, and it needs cleaning pala. So this is the driver's seat. As you can see, there's a fan there because the air condition needs to be repaired. And then the radio has been removed kasi it's already grounded. Actually, it's already it. I want to replace it with a digital one. And yeah, so this is the first row. As you can see, the other seat was actually facing the back kasi that row can be tilted from the front to face the back. So as we get into the passengers entrance, so that's very spacious seats. Um, and then on the back, I used to put in there some gallons of water kasi I used this to deliver mineral water before as one of my business. And yeah, so the doors interior has already been damaged. So there's the aircon control and heater. It has heater, by the way. That's the machine for the air condition for the second row. It has a separate control, and I keep testing the lights, but I forgot I removed the battery. There's no battery there at the moment. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It just needs cleaning, and then once it's ready, I guess we're gonna use this to do our charity vlogs soon. So hopefully we can do it sooner. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my old van tour. So again, we'll start with the flat tire, I guess. Thanks for watching. Bye.